Ati for ahefo memamo akwaba edeba kind TV so ene ebi this time I think say ayare hosem kakra na asi enye easy but yesu kra na yegyan him empanyimfo ema yete ase se eka ehwena na aka ni ena se eka onantu a na aka oto wate ase enti no senator che makra na so okonto kwase den kra na wojai de edi agro kakra ewom say da bia ne Nigeria for kasa ne those kind of things, but they are brothers. Nigeria, our condolences, deep condolences. Meka and saying ye nuanum Nigeria for, and I say our brothers in Nigeria, they've lost a soul in the filmmaking fraternity. Meka say me patch say a bad movie mua ya hwere papa panyin ba ko a odi akotini ye pa em say wunim no on the screen no so no your friend Don Brymo why adwuma no ache. And if you follow it, why is senior who do be I can't even mention all because I remember his movie like Gold Digger, Mekai movie bisa. I also remember a movie like a lot of movies. Maybe be better to screen also for you to even see movies. Why Juma Bibre will play roles, but notable role I will play obit media kind or hene, and he's done marvelous work in the industry. He's paid his dues, but unfortunately on the 15th of June Fofi Antwata and I think say Okan and Chineguye the acquire and so much as na omu twa adwuma owu adwuma so omu twa eye movie no binti ni hotel room or wono na oteto from utwahwe na utwahwe no na de ekoba ne say omuma ne muso no doctor behwe no ho omuma ne muso na omu pa kire say eye partial stroke empo na aka no na aside that no nso no na ne sugar levels no ayede abasoro omumfa no nkodura ya asabia like omode no ko Anambra state so omode no koduru ye no na watwana nanom ewo ensiedo. Our condolences yamamo yako Nigeria, yamamo yako filmmaking fraternity yamamo yako ewo Nigeria, the whole body of film I will be asking ya hwere kese pa because ohwe roles or play I can say he's acted with almost everybody because I've watched his movies one Ugezu aye one Patience Ozoko aye one I can mention Oli Jacobs talk about some local talk about these new people even some moon no my Juma Regina Moon you can talk about everybody why Juma but no but unfortunate thing is I think on the 2017 the year 2017 yeah so already 6 years in here and ohwere ne maame ema open korabre 6 years down the lane watwa ne maame ensiedo akora enya emfie adunum ensia mekira 56 years ena okọ ne kra achi bada okọ ono de okọ akaya ayaka aka enchirimba. I'm urging everybody in the film fraternity say yemma we enye suade ni wuo no ka me akwa say a partial stroke ohwema enoma bebre na de ba yale a sese no ayati atesi sese ayati atesi pa ya jinsem intimesro hwe ho so yi stroke no tretre hwe ho so yi sugar levels no hwe ni yi because it can cause you a lot because he was an energetic man. Make I say 56 years on nyini bebresa afena nka okọ in 60s a lot is in front of him because Oli Jacobs more or more 70s and stuff and they are working a lot of them are even working Peter Dechi they are there they are doing marvelous anything can be to me I akọ the same way I call yes na Sam Dede I remember Sam Dede echo similar way no more year Juma I think that almost on MC or of sort something of that sort and or they call it credit on a Sunday. I remember very well not that time or university Now these things are something. These things are something in the industry. This year, no Nigeria industry, you lose a lot. A bit let's be vigilant. Mesre. But in everything, don't Brymo, firewall, don't Brymo. Nyame emfa okra NCE. Na ya kanon so no industry no yemwa na yempaja, because I believe say if you do that, the soul of Don Brymo will rest well. Shalom. So subscribe my channel na Kainet TV on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, every platform Kainet TV. Edino ba kope kwasi Ghana obetimi afre me meje so ofre me bonoma hena meje so ofre me demoken so a meje so meda wase so nyabre ehwe me ene mere aho entine men kasa entem sooner ne enye easy saase mesu, but ni nyina mu no areho no de ye be dibi because ya hwere ade kese in the film industry. Memfa wonsi ha hwe videos aka no hwe kira kwan ebi beba sisi a don't go anywhere.